Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to analyze a very famous Chinese sentence that you may have heard before, 世界人民大团结万岁. This sentence means long live the great unity of the world's people. Let's break it down chunk by chunk and see how it works. The first chunk is 世界, which means world. It is composed of two characters, 世, which means generation or age, and 界, which means boundary or realm. Together, they form the word for world, which can also be used as an adjective to mean global or worldwide. The second chunk is rénmín, which means people. It is composed of two characters, 人, which means person or human, and mín, which means citizen or folk. Together, they form the word for people, which can also be used as an adjective to mean popular or civilian. The third chunk is 大团结, which means great unity. It is composed of three characters, 大, which means big or great, 团, which means group or circle, and 结, which means tie or knot. Together, they form the word for great unity, which can also be used as a verb to mean to unite or to rally. The fourth and final chunk is wànsuì, which means long live. It is composed of two characters, 1, which means 10,000 or myriad, and sui, which means year or age. Together, they form an expression that literally means, may you live 10,000 years, but is used to wish someone or something a long life or prosperity. So, to recap, the sentence 世界人民大团结万岁 means long live the great unity of the world's people. It is a slogan that expresses a wish for global peace and harmony. It was first used by Mao Zedong, the founding father of the People's Republic of China, in 1949, when he proclaimed the establishment of the new nation. Since then, it has been used by many Chinese leaders and people to show their support for international cooperation and friendship. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new about Chinese grammar. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.